Hi everyone. In this video, we'll discuss the integrations that OpenFunnel has with CRM, such as Hubspot and Salesforce. You can go to Integrations tab and connect to your CRM. In this case, we have connected to Hubspot. We can go to any signal view. This is a signal I ran of people talking about intent signals, very meta. And what I'll do here is select a few people and then show you the flow of how it syncs to my Hubspot. So let's say I select these 3 people and I add them to a campaign. I already have a campaign running for intent folks and I'll add them. Now I can go through the campaigns page to the campaign itself. So this is the intent folks campaign. As you can see, as this campaign loads, is that I already have a few people synced here. And these are the 3 new people that I added. So all I have to do now is click and select them and then just click on sync. And this will start the syncing job that will move them to my CRM. So I can show you how it looks like. This is the companies page in my CRM. You can see these companies have come from OpenFunnel through that campaign. The new ones will start coming in now that we have started syncing it. And we also have this custom column here called signal context that we provide. In order to get this information, you need to go to your settings page in your CRM, go to properties, and you need to create a custom property for both contact and company, which is called signal context, like this. So this should be signal underscore context. I already have it, hence the error, and select the field type as multi-line text and create it. Once you do this, you'll start receiving this column with the signal data that we have in your CRM. We can also look at how the contacts look like. So for example, if I go to contacts here, the contact will get attached to the company. So you can already see this is 157, it's 157. So the sync has started happening already. So let's say the salesmate is something that I must have just synced from here. Yep, Yasser is in salesmate. So I can go here and I can see salesmate, and I can also see that Yasser is attached to the company, which is how it should be. And we can also go to the contacts tab and see all the details here. Again, you will get the LinkedIn URL, these signal context come up here as well. We also have this other custom field called recent interaction, which you can set up the same way as you did for signal context. All you need to do is go to contact properties and set here recent interaction, and again put this as multi-line text, and you'll start seeing this field here, which will show you that the most recent activity on this contact is through an OpenFunnel signal with this context. Right. Another interesting thing here is the contact owner. So we automatically make the user of the OpenFunnel account the owner of the contact and the company that they sync, which is great. So you know in a multi-person team who is actually the owner of that account. Another thing here is that if you're trying to sync a company that belongs to somebody else in your CRM, we will notify you that and we won't directly sync because that can lead to ownership conflicts. However, if you are an OpenFunnel admin, then you bypass this and you can add this signal context and all the other information to accounts owned by other people in your company. So yeah, that's the flow. You can also sync any account on its own and you'll get this sync to CRM batch in the account view. All you have to do for that is go to any account with people, open the account view, and then select the people you want to sync and click on sync to CRM. It'll go through the same flow and you'll see the company and the person populate up here in your CRM. Yeah, so this is all good. Everybody in the campaign is synced. It's time for outreach. See you on the next one. Thank you.